My name is Matthew Blythe. I'm an independent advisor specialising in the precision livestock technology world.
With all the technology that's available now, some farmers are looking at implementing auto dose or auto calibration or digital worming guns, depends on what you would like to call them. These worming guns change their dose rate according to the live weight of the animal. So, looking at these worming guns, they can adjust their barrel in real time to the animal's weight, given a precise dose of wormer, anthelmintic, or even vaccines if you've got the right attachments to join onto them. But there is issues with these devices, and we have to think how they work in conjunction with all your kit that you already have on farm.
This is where it gets a little bit more complicated if we're thinking about adding an auto calibrating worming gun. What are we going to connect it to? To the app on your device. Some of them need an app on a device to change the dose rate. Some of them will connect direct with the wayhead indicator. Again, we must check with, will the apps run on iOS or Apple? And will the dosing gun connect direct with the wayhead? The TST app in the SmartWorm app into the mix. Again, we can send the weight and the EID across to the app. It will tell us yes or no. But have we got enough connections to connect a worming gun to? Some of these devices, you can only connect an EID reader and one extra device. Some of them we can connect an EID reader and two extra devices. So we need to check how many Bluetooth or Wi-Fi connections we have available on our indicators and wayheads and how all this will come together. The other way of doing it is being really, really clever, and we must keep this in mind. This is possible, but we need to understand a lot what's going on. Is we're sending the EID to your wayhead.
We can send the weight and the EID to third-party apps. Most farmers will know these as their livestock management software, and some of these runs on apps and some of these run on desktops where we can download a file into. A good percentage of farmers using this sort of technology will be using a third-party livestock management software
to record your medicine treatments, to record movements, whatever, and update the weights on. The SmartWorm app from Cotter's Crate will record the weight and the EID and the treatment, but nothing else. So if your body condition scoring or something like that, you might want your app in place.
We can also send the weight and the EID
across to the Cotter's Crate app. So there we've got two Bluetooth devices or two devices connected over Wi-Fi, depends what wayheads and indicators you have. And we must check again if Apple or Android, if we can run their software and they're compatible with our wayhead or indicator. Again, the SmartWorm app will create a thing, yes or no, treat or not, happy or sad. The worming record will be kept on the Cotter's Crate app, which then you can download a CSV file, which you can upload through your PC back onto your third-party app. But can we join a auto dosing gun into this? Do we need another app? Can we run all three apps on one device? It's very difficult to do, sending the one bit of information to three different apps on one device. Or can we connect the worming gun directly? These are all things you need to consider